Hello, in this demonstration, what we want to show today is the A.025P. So A is for Accu Flo, solenoid controlled valve. 0.025 is for a 1/4 inch pump, and P because it's a ProFlow air valve system. So what we want to show is how the Accu Flo operates. Now in a traditional P.025, the inner piston makes contact with the pilot spool. The pilot spool then goes either up or down depending on the position of the inner pistons. On the Accu Flo pump, we actually remove the pilot spool assembly, and it is replaced by a plug, and the shift mechanism is all done through solenoid. So the solenoid controls the air valve spool and tells it when to shift up and down. What we have here is a controller that is going to control the solenoid, how many times to cycle, the frequency of the cycle, and how it's going to run. So what we're going to show you with that is the flow coming up. What we have here is a baseline showing you where the optimized flow is at. And we're also going to increase and decrease the flow by the intervals, showing you how that affects the flow. So let's go ahead and start that up. So for the baseline, you can see we have the interval set at 0.25 or 4 strokes per second. So every second, it's going to shift 4 times. As we increase the pump speed, you would think you're going to get more flow. However, by increasing the pump speed with the solenoid, you're actually shortening the length of displacement that it's going to go out. So it's not going to go fully out to the liquid chamber and displace as much fluid, and you're going to start to lose flow. So as we start to speed it up, that is 0.2. You can already see we're losing flow. We're dropping down. As we speed it up more to 0.15, we're losing a little bit more flow. If we set it to 0.1, we're losing even more flow. So that's showing you that the flow is just falling off. So as we increase or decrease the pump speed, we're back to our standard 0.25, back to our optimal point. As we begin to speed this or slow this down, we're actually going to start losing flow. So there's 0.3, 0.35, and you can see we're losing flow again. So your optimized point is going to be 0.25. And what we've done in our flow curves is we've already done the calculations and we've plotted them out for you so you know what you can expect with the solenoid operated pump. So we'll go ahead and set it back to the optimized performance at 0.25. You'll notice we'll go back up to our standard baseline and we will take it from there.